Welcome back to my channel everyone. I'm Raghu watching my YouTube channel Vlogodichi. If you have not subscribed yet, consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for further updates. Good morning from Nellore. So it's now 11 o'clock in the morning and we are going to Bangalore today. Bangalore is 400 kilometers from here and आज का राइड ज़्यादा नहीं है इसलिए हम लोग देर करके निकले. कल रात को 3 बजे पहुँचे थे लेकिन सुबह 6 बज के बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट स्लीपी. आई डोंट नो वाई. आई वॉज डैम टायर्ड बट आई वॉज नॉट स्लीपी for some weird reasons obviously. Anyways, so आज का ride 400 kilometers, so it will take around 8.5 hours to reach Bangalore including the breaks of course. So without wasting much time over here, let's wrap up things. Let's get on the saddle and let's get started. So yeah, we're about to start our journey from Nellore. It's a busy day in Nellore. It's Monday and I need to take a U-turn. I need to ride very carefully because I have the panniers on and I can see people here don't wear helmets. No one, literally no one is wearing a helmet. Now I will ride Eddie's bike and he will ride mine. बहुत देर तक चलाते ना मेरा पैर पूरा दुख गया था. So I thought let's ride his bike. So we had to exit the national highway and take this right for Tirupati. Tirupati is 70 kilometers in this road. It's gonna be a pain in the ass for sure. Okay. I hope this is the road. So it's 4:15 p.m. Already done 200 prox kilometers, 180 kilometers, more 200 kilometers to go. I think it's more than 200. Anyways, approximately 200 kilometers to go. Bangalore, 200 kilometers which take out 4 hours minimum. If you don't take any break, then it will take 4 hours. नहीं तो और भी ज़्यादा टाइम लग जाएगा. So I've reached Chittor. Bangalore is more 180 kilometers. Okay. 180 kilometer more to Bangalore, but the thing is बहुत slow ride हो रहा है because too much of traffic, too much of bad roads, too much of potholes, too much of speed breakers बीच में. Ouch. Like seriously, ouch. Too much of potholes, too much of traffic, too much of chaos. बीच में एक railway gate भी था, तो railway gate it took us around 20 minutes because train बहुत late कर दिया आने में, and we were standing there for 20 minutes. So it's very late, and this view is amazing. Nice. People in Andhra Pradesh are very good. They are very helpful. They always greet you with a smile. It's very good. About to enter Karnataka in a bit. I don't know how much time it will take and when I'll connect to the main highway, and I'll skip this. Shah. Squid alert! This guy is trying to race with me. Why, man? I'm not a racer. Don't try to race with me. So 2500 kilometers from Siliguri, and we have reached Bangalore in our 4th day.
and it's now 8 in the evening. The temperature is quite pleasant out here. Our next destination is Ooty. So yeah, let's end this video over here. I'll see you on my next episode. Till then, thank you very much for watching this video, guys. अगर अच्छा लगा तो like करके जाना, and do follow me on Instagram at vlogger_h. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye, take care.